We live today in a golden age with abundant opportunities. People who set goals succeed because they know where they're going. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. They both work hard. 95% of people forfeit success for conformity. We become what we think about. Instead of competing, all we have to do is create. Believe and succeed. Everything worthwhile in life came to us free. We must be willing to pay the price. Ideas are worthless unless we act on them. Your success will always be measured by the quality and quantity of service you render. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal.